welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making a super fun fall pumpkin pie paper squishy. I don't think you guys know how much I love the fall season and like Halloween stuff, and since it's the beginning of September, I think it's like considered the beginning of fall, so I'm gonna try to start posting like fall videos because those are my favorite. And then when October rolls around, I'm gonna start doing like Halloween scary crafts and paper squishies. Also, I'm so sorry I haven't been posting. If you guys want more information on that, it'll be in the description box, but you guys know what it is about. It's just like a bunch of school stuff and like clubs and after school. I've been pretty busy, but I found the time in the weekend to do this video, so hopefully you guys enjoy it. Also, as some of you guys may or may not know, September is actually my birthday month, so that's gonna be really exciting. And whoever guesses my birthday right in the comment section will get pinned. So let's see who gets it right. I think this is gonna be such a fun paper squishy to make, so let's just get started. You'll be needing some paper, a pencil, some tape, scissors, markers, and anything soft to stuff your squishy. I'm just gonna be using this polyfill cotton stuffing, but you can also use plastic bags or anything soft you can find around your house. Okay guys, hear me out. I had to do an outfit change because I had to pull out my fall knit sweater because it's just so comfy. But let's get started into making this pumpkin pie paper squishy. Alright guys, so first we're gonna just decide what kind of size we want our pumpkin pie to be. I don't want mine to be too big. I actually kind of want it to be like smaller, like a little one. So I'm just gonna fold my paper in half. And I'm gonna sketch my circle right here, so I have two equal ones on the other side of the paper. Wow, that's actually a pretty good freehanded circle. But anyways, now we're going to take a black pen and outline the circle. This is just gonna make it easier to see when we flip it over to draw it again on the back. I'm kind of afraid I'm gonna be a little rusty on making paper squishies because I haven't made them in like 3 weeks, which is pretty bad, but I've been like so busy, guys. You don't even know my schedule because other than school, I do marching band. And it takes so much time like after school because some days I get home like so late, guys. For example, last week on Friday, I went to school at 6 a.m. and I came back home at 12 a.m. at night because of marching band, because I had to go to a football game and I was pretty tired. So that makes my videos very limited, considering the fact that I'm not in the house for 12 plus hours. But I still try to find some time in the weekends to post some really fun videos for you guys because I love making videos. But yeah, I've been like so busy with all that kind of stuff, so yeah. So now just erase all the pencil marks that you see so it'll be a bit cleaner. So now I'm just going to trace out the circle on the other side. As you can see, we can kind of see like the imprint on the other one, so just trace it again. Okay guys, so now I'm just going to turn it around back to the good side, and I'm going to take my pencil again and start sketching out some little details like the crust and maybe like a little pumpkin in the middle, maybe to add a little cuteness to the squishy. So for the edge, pumpkin pies have like this little curvy crust going around it. So I'm just going to start out by sketching that out. Once we're done sketching the crust, we're just going to take our black pen and outline it. That one was kind of bad. Now I'm going to take my eraser and erase all of the pencil lines. For the middle of the pie, I was thinking of drawing something pretty cute, not really that realistic on what you would actually see on a pie, but I'm just gonna draw a cute little pumpkin in the center. and then erasing the pencil marks. Okay guys, now it's going to be the really fun part, and we're gonna start coloring this pie. Okay guys, so I just swatched all of the markers and I'm gonna choose the shades that I want to use. So for the pumpkin in the middle, I'm thinking of, what do you guys think? Actually, I'm gonna go with this one because it looks a bit brighter and this one looks a bit more like neon and pastels almost. So I'm just gonna go with this one. For the center, like slightly darker orange, I'm gonna go with this one because I think it's the perfect pumpkin pie color. I don't know, it feels like it'll do a good match. And for the crust, it's gonna be like a light tan brownish kind of color. So I'm gonna go with the lightest one because I feel like it would color combinate better. Now that I have my 3 colors chosen, I'm gonna start coloring this whole thing. Okay guys, so once I'm done coloring the front of the pie, I'm going to turn it around and color the back. Before we get further into this video, here are this week's shout out winners. Congratulations to you. Also, I just wanted to say that since I took a break off of YouTube for a little bit, I just forgot how nice you guys are. And while editing this and picking out the winners, I just got really emotional. And I just want you guys to know that these comments make my day and I appreciate you guys so much. And we can't forget about the fan art. Here's this week's winner. And I'm just so amazed, like this is so beautiful and I just can't believe you guys actually do this for me. And if you want to be featured in next week's fan art video segment, all you have to do is make a video on TikTok or YouTube and I'll try to include it in the next video. Now I'm gonna take some clear tape and laminate the drawing, front and back. Now I'm just going to cut it out. Ready for this epic transition, guys? So once we have the front and back of our pumpkin pie paper squishy, we're just gonna set these aside because now we're going to do the sides to make it 3D. So all we need to make the side of the pie is paper, the crust color, and a pencil. Here I just have some excess paper that was left over from the front and back of the pies, and I'm just gonna fold it over to make a straight line so the side can be this thick. And now I'm just gonna color it with the color of the crust. Alright guys, so this is how the edge looks. I just left a little bit of excess tape hanging out at the side, just so we don't have to waste any more tape. Now all we have to do is cut off the excess on the side. And I think I'm gonna make another one of these because I think it's gonna be a little too short and I'm gonna need a little bit more. Now I'm just gonna cut little slits on the tape just so it's easier to tape around the circle. Alright guys, so once it's looking a little something like this, like a little bowl, we're now going to take the bottom of the pie and tape it. But don't tape it all the way around, we're going to leave a little opening so we can stuff it. Alright guys, I have the squishy all taped and now I'm just going to stuff it and show you guys the final product. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully you guys tried to make this at home. I know it was so fun to make and got me really into the fall/Halloween spirit that's coming up. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!